Hi everyone, my name is Didier and I'm a partner at Fantastic Mind. I look after the finances and the strategic side of things. And today I'll present to you who is Fantastic Mind, what we do, and what we try to get involved in. I'll be assisted every now and then by Christopher. Christopher is one of the co-founders of the company and also chairman. Christopher having spent 35 years in Sweden and with 40 years experience in the industry, will be able to guide you a bit more on the technical aspects of the presentation. Fantastic Mind is a group of companies that was created in 2010. We now have a 12-strong team in terms of staff. We are one of those companies that consider ourselves as a startup, given that we always try to reinvent ourselves and keep pace of changes going on. We have the benefit of staff from a variety of background and nationality, including people from Europe and Africa. But the core of our company is made up of born and bred Mauritians like myself. Fantastic Mind offers a wide range of services, and I'll go through those in a minute. But broadly speaking, we try to segregate our activities into three main parts. The core of our business really is the design thinking and user experience. What we mean by that is we really try to put the users at the core of everything we do. We try to be customer-centric and focused and really look at what is needed from a client's perspective, from a user perspective, and everything we do evolves from there on. So when we started, we were merely service providers to our clients, effectively doing things that clients required from us. And through time, we evolved and our services also evolved, and we began to get a lot more involved into our clients' strategies. We became more consulting focused, trying to assist our clients in creating their strategies and implementing it, and not just being pure service providers. And now what we've started and what we want to, where we want to go in the future is to move into a company focused around data, around the measurement, the monitoring of data, and how that can be used to provide a much better customer experience with data insights, which we believe is very important to be able to provide that excellent service that we strive to achieve. So going into our services in a bit more detail, we start obviously with the consultancy part, with the idea of transforming our clients' businesses. Often our clients are unsure where digitalization starts and where it ends. It obviously means something different for everyone, and we assist them, we walk with them through the process, and we help them to define what it means for them, to what extent they should transform. And so we do the whole process hand in hand with them to make sure that we provide them with solutions that are tailor-made for what they require. And that can mean different things to different people. Obviously, with the digital transformation, our way of end user, the customers we believe our clients would want to see. It's not just about technology. It goes way beyond that. It goes to processes. It goes to a way of doing things and to business models. So we get involved, at different stages for our clients, and depending on what their needs are. In terms of the strategy, we help them define their strategy and ensure that the digital part is at the core, and that in the end it contributes to increasing their visibility, and hopefully this will lead to a better qualified audience, and that we have customers that are connected and understand really what the client is trying to achieve. In terms of R&D and development, we do in a lot of projects internally in terms of what we believe where the future lies. We also do some development for clients as well, depending on what their needs are. And also, in terms of requirement, it might not be the core of our business, but obviously when clients have a need in that space, we assist them in terms of identifying and managing whatever infrastructure they require. So this broadly explains where we get involved. It's something that's constantly evolving, obviously in that industry, but we try to make sure that we cater for the needs of our clients, basically falling under one of those 6 groups of services. At the end of the day, what we try to really do is to identify our customers' pain points to deliver solutions accordingly. Wanted to touch quickly about why we chose Sensative as our partner. Obviously, there's a cultural link there with our founder having spent so long in Sweden, and it was a bit normal that Sensative would be considered as one of our partners, but it goes a lot more beyond all of that. I think Sensative is today a recognized leader. It has invaluable experience that we can draw upon. And most importantly, Sensative provides tried and tested solutions. And this is really key, considering where we want to go. Beyond that, we believe that we have compatible business models between Sensative and Fantastic Mind. Sensative today offers a really wide range of sensors and a platform in eGear that we really believe will help address the issue of multi-protocol when it comes to sensors. So that's something that really we're really happy with, and we're really glad that Sensative is addressing this issue. And we believe that what we want to do will come as a complement to what is being done by Sensative, effective plan, providing the customer with a fantastic experience based on great visualization, but also great analysis of data and everything that comes after that and comes with it. So all those factors mean that we are very happy with Sensative as a partner, and we believe that we'll be able to develop solutions together effectively, efficiently in the future, and we're sure that's going to be a success. So our partnership with Sensative, I think, to envisage what our ambitions are and what our targets are for the coming years. We have started developing what we call our iConnect dashboard, which, as we said, we want it to sing on top of EGU as a platform. But what we really want is to provide data as a service to our clients. We lived in Mauritius. We are early enough into that space that we have the potential of becoming leader, if not the reference for data as a service. And Mauritius has always been used as a platform to go into Africa for many different industries and products. And we believe that's no different when it comes to this as well. And our ambition is really to slowly but surely move into the African market, whether it's Francophone Africa or Anglophone Africa. The fact that we're bilingual enables us to target all those countries. So this slide just shows visually what we're talking about when it comes to the initial part of measuring and gathering the data, the monitoring part of it, and then being able to, first of all, display the results to the customers, but in a really friendly manner with actions that they can, with recommendations that they can action through their devices directly as much as possible. This is really the aim where we want to get to. Obviously, we believe that such dashboard has to be available to our clients anywhere, anytime. And I think with today's technology, this is perfectly achievable. At Fantastic Mind, we have a mobile-first approach, and this is how we want to be able to connect with our customers and provide them with a tool that they really can take with them and use at any point in time with a great visualization aspect that makes it easy to understand and easy to operate. These are just further examples of what our dashboard looks like, and with features like alerts and alarms to be able to notify clients when there is a need to take action, or at least they need to be aware of certain changes in data that has been measured, and with the recommendations being readily available to them for them to take the appropriate action immediately while they are on the move. Obviously, this can become a really important part in a company's risk management process. There's a wide variety of risks that needs to be managed today, and providing the users with the relevant data and information enables them to first be aware of those risks, but also to manage them more efficiently, and often to mitigate them, sometimes to eradicate them by taking the appropriate actions. So it can become a very effective risk management tool. Obviously, an important part of what we want to do is great visualization, and we want information to be contextualized in a manner that's easy to understand for our clients and our users. And combining 3D with the information that we have gathered enables us to pinpoint exact locations, to be precise, to be efficient, to be accurate, which brings even more value to the information that we are communicating to our clients. Here's another example of using 3D and sharing the data with exact location. And obviously it saves a lot of time and effort for the client, where they know exactly where the issue is and what needs to be done accordingly. So I hope that this was a useful overview of what Fantastic Mind does and where we are going and what we are trying to achieve. So we believe that with Sensative, there are a number of exciting opportunities in Mauritius and as a stepping stone into Africa. So thank you for listening to us once again. We may have had some issues with some of the words not being heard properly, since we're doing this at a time of lockdown in Mauritius, and unfortunately the internet connection is not 100%. So apologies if you have missed one or two words of what I've been saying, but hopefully you would have had the gist of it, and more than happy to connect with you if you want more details about the presentation and how we can help you.